Hi, Environmental Science. It is Mrs. Parr. I am going to take you through, trying to zoom in to see if maybe you can, the color won't make me so faded out. I'm going to take you through how to do your plant journals today since this is your first one and I'm absent. And I want to make sure that you know what to do today. So you're going to grab one of these half sheets from the sub. And this is where you're going to be filling out the information for each one of your plant species. If you are in a group that ended up with more than 4, make sure you grab another one of these half sheets. You're going to glue this into your journal, into your notebook, so make sure that you grab a glue stick as well. So notice you've got space for each one of your plants, and you're going to be filling information out about each one. So starting up here at the top, make sure that you put the correct week because we get confused and we don't know which one's which. So put week 1 and today's date is September 3rd. Then you're going to be indicating which plant it is. So you're going to identify the common name, a scientific name, which you already have in your journal. And then you're going to draw a picture of what your plant looks like today. So if you don't have anything in your pot for one of your plants, that's okay. Draw a pot that's empty. That way you know in week 1 you didn't have anything. Since you've got 2 plants or 2 pots per species, your partner should do one of them and you do the other. You record about the other. If your partner's not here today, then just do one of the pots. You do not need to do your partner's data as well. But your partner is going to come to you eventually and ask for you to share that data with them, which is great. Then you're going to be filling out information about what kind of measurements did you take. So how tall is the plant? I'm going to show you really quick. I've got someone's plant here. Shout out to, oh, I forgot where I took this from. Somebody, but their corn is looking amazing. So you're going to want to decide with your group. I'm going to recommend that you use the metric system, so centimeters, and you're going to measure from the base of the soil to the top of the tallest plant. What is the height of your plants? And then you're going to record that on your data sheet. You're also going to indicate how many leaves total do you have in your pot. So for example, if I'm looking at this corn plant, there's about 1 or 2 leaves per plant. So right now we have a total of 6 leaves. So I'm going to put that in my data as well. Then I'm going to look at, do we have any fruit or flowers at this point? Since it's the first week, there's nothing there yet. And how often are you watering? Have you been watering every day? Have you been watering every 2 days? That way you know, starting off, how much water is this plant needing? And then if you notice the plant is not looking good, maybe I need to cut back on my watering for this plant. Remember, each plant species is different. Some like a lot of water and some do not. And then the last box that you're going to fill out right here is asking about the actions that you're taking this week. So for example, if I have a pot that has no growth in it, nothing has sprouted, your group needs to make a decision. You and your partner need to decide, should I be replanting new seeds in, or are we going to wait until next Friday to see what happens? So how am I going to make that decision? You should be making that decision based on what's on the back of your seed chart. So, or back of your seed packet. If you notice that the germination time, like for example, a squash is 7 to 14 days. Today is day 8. So it's only been 8 days. That means that there could be 6 more days that this plant will eventually sprout something. So it's up to you and your partner. This is an experiment. So you guys kind of get to decide whether or not you are thinking that you want to go ahead and reseed or if you just want to wait. Whatever you decide to do, you're going to record that in your journal. So that way next week you can go back and look and be like, did we reseed? I can't remember. Or did we decide to wait? And if there's still nothing, it's probably a good idea to reseed for week 2. Okay. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or we can always just talk in class on Tuesday. All right. Good luck, you guys. Enjoy Plant Friday. Bye.